Turn it around, do the same thing on the other side. Straighten this out here. Alright, now we're nice and straight. We'll start drawing this out a little bit so we can get a nice flat punch. We are going to have to use a rasp to get that gnarly looking end off of there, but it'll be alright. See, we're starting to taper this in square. We're going to continue this taper down just a little bit more. Then we'll come back and work our taper back some. Alright, next heat, we're going to round this. Well, I'm going to take it down to octagon, and I'll see what the end size looks like, and I'll compare it to my bolster, and we'll see if this is the right side for our new bolster punch. Just taking the corners off here. Grab my bolster. That's going to be just about the perfect size. I'm going to switch to a lighter hammer to clean up this this round, and then we can file off the end. We'll do some hot filing for that. Alright, so I'm going to continue with this lighter hammer just to straighten out. I can see some little waves and we're going to get a flat spot here. Oh, this is janky as hell. Alright, there's our punch. Holy. So what we did tonight was we made a punch to specifically fit our bolster plate, which I have already misplaced. There it is. This is called a bolster plate, and it has various sized holes in it. And the idea is this punch is made for this hole so that I get clean punches through steel. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to test it tonight because I'm not going to harden this. So I don't want to like quench it or anything like that, but I just have to wait for it to air cool at this point. Give you guys a little close up of the end here. First, I'm going to roll over that moth. Whoops. But that's the end of it. Nice blunt ending. Makes for a very clean punched hole.